Serious about making a significant impact in the Bluetooth headphones market, Anker is taking a proactive approach in reaching stardom through offering low-cost alternatives. For those who love to sweat and work out, the Anker Soundcore Spirit Pro is aiming to be the ideal solution to your needs, as it's not only ready for the task on hand, but it's going to wow you with its price point as well. Frankly, you could argue that its design is conventional by today's standards, as the two earbuds are essentially tethered to one another with a thick cable. What we do like about its design though is that the earbuds themselves stay snugly in our ear, ensuring that they don't flop around when there's heavy movement involved. On top of that, the Anker Soundcore Spirit Pro also features sweat guard technology that helps to resist with the corrosive properties of sweat. And lastly, we also do appreciate how the magnets embedded in each earbud keeps them fastened to one another when they're not being worn. Listening to some tunes, we're pleasantly impressed by the richness of its quality. There's no shortage of bass with this one, as it clearly favors audio from the lower ranges. Still, it's never overpowering to the point where it would drown out the mids or highs. Throw in the fact that the overall performance has a crisp tone to it, we can't be any more thrilled about them being great for working out. And even though they don't offer additional features such as noise cancellation, the earbuds do offer a tangible level of noise suppression when they're worn, so background distractions aren't as prominent. What makes the Anker Soundcore Spirit Pro so compelling is that there's serious emphasis on getting attention with its price point. Sporting a cost of $50 through Amazon right now, that's plenty of temptation to get even the stingiest individual to take notice. Sure, it's pretty generic in what it offers, but at least the audio quality seems promising and its design is solid. And that is it for a quick hands-on look here with the Anker Soundcore Spirit Pro. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.